I don't think any politician will do keputusan betul dan harus dibuat.
Aku rasa institusi kerajaan ni check and balance.
Of course it provide check and balance. Kalau tak ada, I think you will have a dictator in Malaysia lah. Yes, because today you can easily control someone by main dengan sentiment religion. Contoh, menggunakan agama to taikkan sokongan rakyat. So sentiment itu. So that is why saya cakap we are the only one that provide check and balance. Mustahak peranan-peranan sistem raja dalam negara ni.
Tapi kalau Patik boleh tanya sikit, kalau dia berjaya menarik sokongan walaupun dengan agama, tetapi dalam demokrasi itu memang hak dia lah.
Yalah, of course. But you see, it's to provide more check and balance in terms of membuat keputusan. So like contoh, katakanlah keputusan betul dan harus dibuat, tetapi it's not that popular. I don't think any politician will do it because dia fikirkan kepada sokongan dia.
Okay.
Right? So at least we can, walaupun kita tak boleh buat that keputusan, tetapi kita boleh share pandangan atau memberi a bit check and balance in a way. Perhubungan antara kita dengan ahli politik tersebut. Why don't you do something like this, gini-gini, and tengok whether we can come up with something yang more relevant di mana rakyat boleh terima, daripada than just say okay, semua orang tak suka ni, tetapi walaupun benda ni bagus, and we're not going to go with it because you need the numbers of support. And to me that is not good.
Tuanku, are you allowed to talk about politics? Sebab
why am I not allowed?
Biasakan.
Okay, I know, but why
raja ni above politics?
I know, but why am I not allowed to talk